What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. This is Chanel LV, and I hope you are having a fabulous day. Yes, I have been away for a while, too many things going on with my life, but today I would like to share my two unboxing from Chanel. Let's get started. So I have a big box and a small box. Let's do the small box first. You guys ready? Here we go. This is part of the 21K Fall Winter collection, and obviously it's an accessories. I did not plan to buy this, but when I visited the boutique, I saw this and I couldn't help not to take it home. It's a necklace. Here is the tag from Nordstrom and the price, which I think is not too bad. Here is the detail. One side of the CC has a hammered metal design and the other C has a shiny crystals. Yes, I know, I don't like crystals, but when I check this one, it's deeply set to the setting on that metal. Hopefully it won't fall out. That is the scariest thing to happen with your expensive jewelries, right? What I love about this necklace, it has a thick chain that makes it stronger and durable compared to the thinner chains. And at the back is just a plain metal. This one has a little curve of the CC. It's like a concave shape, not convex, so it's kind of bent backwards. You can also do the reverse, but the edges will be flaring forward. I got attracted with these three little dangling pearls, and it has an adjustable length. I would say 16 to 24 inches long. That is the beauty of this necklace. So you can adjust if you want it short or long. So the authenticity stamp is not on the CC hardware, but it will be on the clasp right here. Okay, so here is the necklace. Let's put it back here. Let's move on to the second unboxing. Care booklet. And yes, it's from Small Leather Goods. I just love all these mini pieces. Here we go. It's carefully wrapped. I ordered this from my SA thinking that it's similar to my camera bag that I got last time, and I couldn't cancel anymore. Here it is. It showed up. Shiny calfskin caviar leather. Silver tone hardware. And if you're gonna ask me about the length, this is not big enough to fit your phone, I can already tell. It's only 5.5 inches in length. Here is the bottom. Considering the size of this bag, it has a generous width of 2.5 inches. Wow. And the height, let's see, is 4 inches. So it's 5.5 by 4 by 2.5 inches. I wish they made it a little longer, like 6.5, right? So the phone would fit. That is mostly the deciding factor if we're gonna get these mini bags or not. Here is the side. It has a beautiful CC detail onto this D-ring. No back pocket. The other side. Top. It has a zip closure that goes all the way down there at the bottom, as you can see. Leather tab here. Whoa, look at this. It opens up wide to make it an easy access. Here's my authenticity card, 31 series. I'm not sure if I already shared the tag, but this is it. And the price, $2,450 in US dollars. What do you think about that? All these prices keep going up, right? It has a leather gaskets on the side. Love it. 4 card slots, 2 on each side. The lining is part leather and textile in burgundy color. This is made in France. So the back wall here with 2 card slots is in leather. This is leather or leather. The only textile is at the bottom. Here you go. So it's about 75% leather and 25% textile lining. Way better compared to others that is all textile lining. There's my authenticity stamp. Not bad as far as the zip closure. Let's check the strap. Shoulder drop is 23 inches. This is a thin strap comparable to the other SLG's clutch chain. Let's see real quick what fits inside. Let's try the key clay in a card case. On the other side, and then perfume. What else? So far this is how it looks, and you will still have room for your mask or your car keys. Not bad at all, right? The only downfall is the phone doesn't fit compared to the previous camera bag that they have released last season. But this will be functional enough for me since I don't carry that much. Okay. Let me add my key. So here is my key. Yep, it would do it because of the width is 2.5 inches. Alright. Here's the mask, car key, perfume and lipstick, card holder, key clay, and I'm sure you can put some more, but look how wide. I know, it's still not big enough, right? And the price, what do you think? Is it just right or is it too high for the size of this bag? So anyway, here's my unboxing for you today. Hope you enjoy it, and if you do, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, stay tuned for my mod shots. Bye!